For the 2022 municipal election, you can vote online instead of going to a voting place. Before the election, you will receive a voter information letter in the mail from your municipality with instructions on how to vote. This letter belongs to you and should not be shared with anyone. To vote online, all you need is your voter information letter and a computer, tablet, or smartphone with access to the Internet. In your voter information letter, you will find a personal voting PIN, the web address to your municipality's voting website, and other important information about the election. Take some time to read this letter and confirm that your information is correct. Once the voting period starts, go to the web address in your voter information letter and log in with your voting PIN. If you need help at any point, select the Information button in the top right corner of the screen. If you don't want to vote for anyone in the election, you can select the Decline to Vote button. While you are voting, a progress bar appears at the top of the screen showing where you are and the steps to complete your ballot. In this election, you can vote for both municipal council and local school board offices. A full list of candidates are shown by office on each page. When you have made your choice, select Next to vote for the following office. If you don't want to vote for a certain office, you can leave it blank and move on to the next screen. Once you have moved through each office on the ballot, you will be asked to review and confirm your selections. You can change any of your votes by selecting the Change Vote button and going back to the previous screen. If you are happy with your choices, select Submit Ballot. When you submit your ballot, your votes will be cast and stored in a secure digital ballot box. You will be directed to a screen confirming that your ballot has been successfully submitted. After you cast your ballot, you can verify that your votes are recorded correctly in the digital ballot box. To do this, download the Cital Verify app to your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. You do not need to download this app and verify your votes in order for your votes to be counted. Once the official verification app is installed on your smartphone, open it and scan the QR code from your confirmation screen. Generic QR code scanners will not work. When you're ready, enter the same voting PIN you used to vote. This will create a secure preview of your ballot that only you can see. This may take a few minutes. Your selections will display on your smartphone as they are recorded in the digital ballot box. You can review them to make sure they match how you meant to vote. If everything is correct, select Finish. If what you see is not how you meant to vote, select Not My Selections and contact your municipality. Once you are finished, select the Exit button. Thank you for viewing this informational video. To learn more, please visit your municipality's election information website.